Okay, stop. Seriously, put down the panic button. Before you go onto eBay and sell your Mavic 3 for $5 and a ham sandwich, take a breath. The internet is currently acting like the sky is falling, or rather, that the sky is now illegal. There are three massive stories hitting the drone world right now. One is a terrifying ban, and the other two are some of the coolest leaks we've seen in years. Today, I'm going to tell you why your drone isn't going to self-destruct, expose the insane rumors about the new Avata 360, and show you the Franken camera that DJI is apparently testing. Let's get into the mess. First, the elephant in the room. The ban. As of December 23rd, 2025, yes, DJI has been added to the FCC's covered list. Sounds scary, right? Like you're going to end up on a watch list just for filming a sunset? Here is the reality. Your drone is fine. The drone you have sitting on your shelf right now? Completely legal. The FAA isn't coming for it. DJI isn't going to press a magical kill switch that makes it fall out of the sky. So, why did this happen? Was it because they found secret spy chips sending your backyard barbecue footage to Beijing? Actually, no. It was a paperwork issue. Basically, a government deadline passed for a security audit. No U.S. agency stepped up to do the audit in time, and bam, automatic ban by default. It's bureaucratic, not dramatic. The bad news? You can't import new models. So, if you were waiting for the Mavic 5 or whatever comes next, you might be waiting a long time. The good news? Your current gear works. Just do me a favor. If you're on an iPhone, do not delete the DJI Fly app. Getting it back right now is going to be harder than finding a parking spot at Disney World. Okay, enough doom and gloom. Let's talk about the fun stuff. Because while the lawyers were fighting, the engineers were apparently building a monster. Rumors are flying about the DJI Avata 360. This isn't just an Avata 3. It sounds like DJI took an FPV drone and smashed it together with an Insta360 camera. The leaks are claiming this thing has dual 1-inch sensors that if you aren't a camera nerd, just know that 1-inch sensor is code for video that doesn't look like garbage when it gets dark. We're talking potential 8K resolution. But the coolest part? A rumored rotating gimbal. Imagine flying in FPV mode, fast, locked in, and then hitting a switch to capture full 360-degree spherical video so you can reframe the shot later. It's like having a camera crew attached to your drone that they're also talking about 360-degree LiDAR obstacle avoidance. Finally, a drone that might actually stop me from crashing into that one tree branch I didn't see. Price? Probably around $1,000. Will we get in the US? Well, refer back to the first part of this video. It's a coin toss. And finally, for the creators who prefer to keep their feet on the ground, the Osmo Pocket 4 has leaked. And honestly, it looks weird, but in a good way. We're seeing two different prototypes. One looks like a standard upgrade, but the other one, folks, it has two cameras. It's bulky. It looks like Wally's gym-obsessed cousin. Why two cameras? Maybe different focal lengths? Maybe 3D spatial video? Who knows? But the feature that has me crying tears of joy. Physical buttons. The leak shows buttons below the screen. No more frantically swiping on a tiny 1-inch touchscreen while you're missing the shot. Thank you, DJI, that we're also hearing about a bigger battery, nearly 20% larger. So you can film your entire vacation without carrying a portable power plant in your back pocket. So, here is the bottom line. The ban is real, but it's not the end of the world for the gear you already own. Keep flying, keep creating, and for the love of everything holy, back up your apps. As for these new gadgets, they look incredible. Whether we'll actually be able to buy them in the States is the million-dollar question. But hey, at least the rumors give us something to dream about. What do you think? Is the Avata 360 a game changer or just a gimmick? And are you panicked about the ban? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one, assuming the internet hasn't imploded by then.